Hello, my name is Sergey, and I'm head of marketing in Corezoid. Max is also here with us today. He is CTO for Corezoid. I will start with a brief problem description. Let me quote Chris Skinner, who is a well-known author of Digital Bank Amazon bestseller. Most of banks keep adding new technology capabilities as channels to access their legacy systems. Let's not forget that the backend core systems are still remaining unchanged from ages ago. The reason it's not working anymore is that everything in digital needs to have consistency across mobile, wearable, Internet of Things, cars, TVs, branches, etc. The reason it's not working anymore is customers to see the cracks in the wall, because banks have backend systems that are cracking and aching from legacy. We invented cloud operating system, Corezoid, as a solution to this problem. Corezoid is plug-and-play digital core. You can think of it as a backend, cloud backend for any fintech company or any bank to use. By definition, Corezoid is a PaaS tool for creating IT solutions with the use of automata-based programming with explicit state selection. The basic element of Corezoid is a node. You can think of it as equivalent of a Lego block for software engineering. The structure of the node is following. It has a queue that enables you to store endless amount of object counters, and a function that is applied to an object. With these nodes, one can assemble any algorithm that live in the cloud and can easily be accessed, shared, copied, modified, etc. Let us proceed to our live demo. We are opening Corezoid.com website and selecting Sign In button. It's a cloud solution, so it works in cloud. Let us create a new process. In a few minutes, you will see how simple this task is. We're just selecting Create option from the menu, give a descriptive name to our process, and press OK. Here we go. That is the basic scheme of any process in Corezoid. It starts with a green node that will be receiving data through API. The next step is to add as many blue nodes as the process requires. Blue nodes will be responsible for the logic of our process. Or in other words, blue nodes define what do we do with the data received by the green node. And you will need a red node that will be responsible for the graceful end of our process. And now let us show you an enterprise-level solution process that is currently running on Corezoid. It is not a mistake. We are going to show you a live process that belongs to our largest corporate customer, PrivatBank. It is alive, it's running at this very moment and happily serving its purpose. This process allows PrivatBank helping small companies grow their business. This achieved by allowing to distribute promo codes and coupons in a smart way. PrivatBank kindly gave us a permission to use this purpose for demonstration purposes. So we linked e-commerce, online banking, and database in one process with a single straightforward algorithm. This algorithm provides targeted, personalized advertising on the client checkout page. We call this algorithm Magic Checkout. Please now pay attention to our red line. This red line shows distributed promo codes flow in real time. Let's have a look at Get the List of Proposals node. Here it is. You can see how many requests to DeepMemo database are waiting for response. DeepMemo generates personalized list of proposals for each client. List of proposals generation algorithm takes into account previously shown offers from history log. Then DeepMemo prioritizes offers based on customer's profile. Let's move to the next node. It is titled, Are there new proposals for a customer? In this node, we analyze if there is a proposal for a client from DeepMemo system. If none, algorithm selects the final state, no offer available. Next block of nodes is called dynamic generation. It is responsible for changing the status of a coupon to shown state. And the next node is called selection of desired coupon. If client didn't pick any offer, flow logic selects the right path to the end of the process. If client selects one of available coupons, we save client choice in another process, and the work of this process ends. All processes in Corezoid come with real-time event dashboards. Let us have a look at available statistics. You can see how many requests for coupons we are receiving every second. We can also see the number of requests received during current day. We can switch to yesterday, as well as check that the peak processing volume reached more than 53,000 requests per hour. We can select statistics for the current month and see that every day system handles more than let's wait a little bit. So more than 852,000 requests from customers. We showed you just the core process, but you can imagine that multiple other processes, very simple and more complicated, are running in the same environment, helping our customers grow their business. Let us show you how to connect a new merchant to Corezoid platform. On merchant's request, e-commerce manager creates a new coupon discount process using a standard template. We'll show you an example of the company called MigoGo. MigoGo is a European provider for online TV service subscriptions. Here we have a node titled MigoGo Code Storage. This node keeps pool of unused coupons. When core process calls for coupon, the coupon state changes to on hold. The coupon is being linked to the main process and awaits for client actions. Backwards-facing branch of algorithm takes care of coupon hold release for coupons that have not been selected. These coupons will be released to the generally available pool of unused coupons. The lucky coupons selected by customers go to the node titled Coupon Has Been Issued. Here they are. Let us check MigoGo coupon distribution statistics. We can see that since the beginning of this morning, this merchant distributed 109 promo codes. Let us take a look at another dashboard. In real time, it shows how many customers are seeing our promotions. OK, here it is. Creating a new process for the next interested merchant is very easy. We have prepared a unified template we can reuse. All we need is to upload the list of promo codes to the new merchant and give this process a descriptive name. Every merchant gets its own personal dashboard, so MigoGo company can receive real-time updates on how many coupons were shown, saved by customers, and actually later activated. Let us name advantages of such an approach. You can think of Corezoid as a crazy universal glue that helps bonding different software solutions. No need to hard code anything. We just have to build an algorithm from existing, reusable, and already tested modules. We have managed to put different software solutions working in the bank to work together. I mean e-commerce, online banking, and customers' database. Think how much time in an ordinary bank with legacy systems would it take to create such a platform for coupon distribution, like 1 year or maybe 6 months. How do you think, how much time did it actually take us to create this solution based on Corezoid platform? Any guess? How much time did it take? OK, it actually took us 3 weeks to create all this integration, just combining different APIs. One more important detail here. Corezoid will let you increase the speed of innovating dramatically. Just think of it. You don't need writing detailed specs like you would have to do it for the regular software development. Spend time in the meetings discussing all the details, then wait for IT department to Q&A and implement changes. Corezoid platform allows regular managers test the ideas instantly and search an approval for solution by presenting 100% functional prototype. Our business analysts have designed architecture of algorithm in parallel with developers working on required APIs. No waste of time happens when Corezoid is in the game. Let us take another look at our use case with promo codes. We can show you how easy we can add another useful feature. Imagine that one day our merchant decides a text message on my mobile device needs to be sent when the number of available promo codes drops below the allowed minimum. This requires to take care of the amount of available codes before they are gone. Nothing is easier than adding an additional logic to the Corezoid cloud. Let's look at the node titled Code Storage. Here it is. We can add a counter here. Let's add a counter. Logic generates true or false signal if amount of objects drops below or rises above defined levels. When number of coupons in our node reaches the threshold, corresponding signal will be generated. To take care of the signal, we create a node titled Shall we send a text message? We create this node, and let us add if logic here. We check the value of start equals false parameter. If the condition is true, a text message has to be sent. We create the next node titled text message delivery. It calls a procedure which sends a text message to the specified number. Here we easily connect Twilio API for sending text messages. Twilio SMS. We also create our final node called text message sent successfully. And we have to add Go logic to transfer to the final node. Okay, here's our node, text message sent successfully. Create. Okay. Let's imagine I'm a merchant, and I will put my phone number. Will you switch to my camera, please? Uh, 1917293346. Save. Okay, and now let's test it. We wait until the count drops below the threshold, and my phone will receive a text message. Okay, messaging.
No.
Okay, here we go. It's a message from Corezoid. Congratulations, clients love you. All promo codes have been distributed, give them more. Please switch to our laptop. Please pay attention, no personal data is being transferred to Corezoid. Corezoid works with anonymized data, with data IDs. You can think of Corezoid as a processes processor. Corezoid can manage any processes existing in our world without necessity to know what the process is about or who is it for. Our largest corporate customer is Ukrainian PrivatBank with about 16 million customers. Currently, PrivatBank runs more than 60,000 processes in Corezoid cloud, including alerts of different levels. We showed you just a single scenario, but in fact, we use Corezoid in all the departments of our bank. We use Corezoid to manage dozens of our mobile applications just because it's easier to create the logic of an application in the cloud than hard-code it in the app. We use Corezoid in back office to manage documents workflow. We even use Corezoid in collection department to track how clients change states. We use Corezoid to monitor our hardware, such as ATMs, POS terminals, self-service kiosks. Anything in the world of Internet of Things can be connected to Corezoid and managed through Corezoid Cloud. No programming language knowledge is required to start working with Corezoid. Business analysts or regular managers can focus on what they can do very well, that is describing processes to feed customers' demands. No need to waste precious time engaging IT department and then waiting for changes to be tested and implemented. Corezoid is not highly specialized software for the financial sector. It is efficient for any industry and any company size. I will sum up and name key advantages. Explicit states instead of hidden in the code, assembling instead of hard coding, cloud processes instead of outdated backend. Everything is built around APIs. We even have this joke in our team saying, show me your API, man, and I will tell you who you are. And the guy recently told me that so many companies have the APIs, so it's like creating bullets for Corezoid, and we're creating guns to use those bullets. You can create prototypes fast. You can decrease cost of support of existing IT infrastructure. It offers easy integration with existing core systems, including APIs from fintech companies. Banks can forget about legacy software issues. We talk about real-time everything instead of batch-based cycles. We talk about big processes that allow us to get more from big data. Corezoid offers customer-centric infrastructure instead of product-centric, and of course, real-time dashboards for business analytics. Corezoid is a single state-of-the-art platform for all the processes existing in the company. Corezoid is available on Amazon Marketplace. There is 1 month free trial period. Start creating your digital core today. We welcome everyone at our booth, and we are ready to help on your way. Thank you.